Want to work faster and smarter on your computer? These essential keyboard shortcuts will save you time and effort. Let's go. Let's start with the most commonly used shortcuts. Ctrl plus C copy. Copies selected text or files. Ctrl plus X cut. Removes and stores selected text or files. Ctrl plus V paste. Paste copied or cut content. Ctrl plus Z undo. Reverts the last action. Ctrl plus Y redo. Restores the last undone action. Ctrl plus A select all. Highlights everything in the document or folder. Working with documents, these shortcuts make it easy. Ctrl plus S, save. Saves your work instantly. Ctrl plus P, print. Opens the print window for quick printing. Ctrl plus F, find. Searches for words or files in a document. Ctrl plus N, new file window. Creates a new document or browser window. Ctrl plus O, open. Quickly opens files or documents. Ctrl plus W, close tab. Closes the current tab or window. Want to switch between apps without using the mouse? Try these. Alt plus tab, switch between open apps. Quickly move between applications. Alt plus F4, close the active app. Instantly shuts down the program. F5, refresh. Reloads a web page or refreshes a folder. F11, full screen mode. Toggles full screen view for better focus. EC, cancel. Stops a task or closes pop-ups instantly. Managing files, these shortcuts make it super fast. Shift plus delete, permanently delete. Skips recycle bin. F2, rename. Instantly renames a file or folder. Pretty SEN screenshot. Captures the screen to clipboard for pasting. Want to be more productive? Like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Which shortcut do you use the most? Let me know below. Thanks for supporting me and follow for more awesome content.